I'm going to share a hack with you that I learned from my grandson, who's not yet 7 years old, with citrus fruits. I have 4 different citrus fruits, and you can use this for any one of them. I'm going to start with the smallest, which is a mandarin. You cut from, what would you say? I say north to south, where there's a little dimple in the bottom. Then there's a place where it hangs on the tree. You're going to cut right in between there. Cut it in half. I already did it. And then you're going to take your fingers and you're going to turn it inside out. Now this is going to take a little bit of maneuvering, and it's going to look like that. And once you do that, watch how easy this is. I'm going to lay them over here so you can see. The second one we're going to do, this is called a miniola, and I already cut it. And I just want you to see, sometimes if it's too big, it'll take you a minute. A miniola is very juicy. So you're going to get kind of messy. There it is. Popped out again. So that's the end of the video. And so until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And don't forget to leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think. Bye for now.